Hello, today we will guide you through how to make a working sign-up page in Framer. To begin, open your project in Framer. For this walkthrough, we're using a project called Sensible Fruit, but you can follow along in any project you have ready. Once the canvas loads, take a quick look around so you know where everything lives. The canvas in the center, the layers on the left, and the properties panel on the right. These panels are where you'll place, arrange, and refine the sign-up experience. Next, look for the Insert control in Framer. You'll find it in the top bar, and it opens a library of components you can add to your page. Clicking it reveals commonly used elements like text, buttons, and media, along with powerful interactive components. If you prefer shortcuts, pressing the I key also opens the Insert menu, which can speed up your workflow as you iterate. With the Insert menu open, move your cursor over the Form option. Hovering shows you a preview and sometimes variations, depending on your library. The Form component is ideal for creating a working sign-up area because it bundles inputs, validation, and submission behavior in a single, yet manageable element. Take a second to confirm it matches the structure you need, such as name, email, and a submit button. You can customize everything later, so don't worry if the default isn't perfect yet. Now drag the form from the Insert menu directly onto your canvas and drop it where you want the sign-up section to live. Use the blue alignment guides to center it and resize the container to suit your layout. A clean sign-up area usually sits above the fold on a landing page and leaves comfortable padding around inputs so it feels approachable. If your project uses a grid, snap to it for consistent spacing across desktop and mobile frames. To configure the form, double-click it to focus the component, then look to the right side Properties panel. Here you can edit field labels and placeholders, mark fields as required, adjust input order, and refine the Submit button text and style. Update typography, colors, and corner radii so the form matches your brand. This panel also controls behavior. You can set success and error messages, tweak validation feedback, and define what happens after successful submission. While you're here, preview the form on different breakpoints to ensure inputs are legible and buttons remain easy to tap on smaller screens. A quick microcopy pass, clear labels, concise helper text, and friendly error messages goes a long way toward improving completion rates. That's it. You've added a form, placed it thoughtfully on the page, and customized it in the right side panel so your sign-up flow is ready for real users.